Good morning. How's your weather? Outside? And in your home? In your family? And really importantly, how's the weather inside of you? And let's keep noticing that by being mindful of our bodies again. And last time we were noticing really sensations in the body. Like, can you feel your toes? Can you feel your belly? This time, bring yourself into a position where you're comfortable and you're also alert, awake. And see if you can feel, this is what we're going to do this time. Close your eyes if you want to. I want to invite you to see if you can feel the aliveness in your body. Not just specific sensations, but can you feel whatever helps you know you're here? So for a minute, notice your hands. And see if you can feel that thing that tells you where your hands are. Like if you had to, without opening your eyes, if you had to reach out and touch one of your hands, there's something that knows where it is, right? That's like, I think of it as its aliveness. The thing that would help me know wherever my hand is. It's like that part of the life in my hand that I'm always connected to. See if you can feel your whole body this way. Just feel how your body is full of life. And let's just breathe into the body and be aware of whatever energy is in the body right now. It might be energy that feels like it wants to do nothing. It might be energy that is having a hard time sitting still. It might be energy that feels really joyful or not at all joyful. Right now we're just noticing. It's okay, whatever it is. Each time you breathe in, curious, interested. Each time you breathe out, friendly, like, yeah, body, I hear you. Just curious, just feeling. For some people it's really easy to sense, and for some people it takes a long time. And honestly, it doesn't matter if it's easy or hard for you. Just keep trying if it's hard, and it'll be like little tiny bits. That's okay. It doesn't mean anything about you. It's just the way we're wired. It doesn't mean you're good or bad, smart or dumb. It's just the way we each have a natural way. Couple more breaths. Just noticing how the aliveness or the energy in your body feels right now. And then on your next exhale, let your eyes open if they're closed. Come back to regular. And I want to ask you to notice, almost like a detective would notice, whatever energy is going on in your body, how does it help you know what to do this morning or today? Sometimes we don't pay attention to that energy, and then it's hard to take good care of ourselves. So if your energy feels a lot of different ways, it can tell you something. Do you have a lot of energy in your arms? They wanted to move? If so, like maybe try that shaking thing we sometimes do where you just shake them. Or do you have a lot of energy in your legs? If so, maybe you want to let your legs do something. Go up and down the steps if you've got steps, or do some squats. Wherever the energy is, we have a choice. We can work with it or we can fight against it. And if you work with it, it doesn't mean, like, so if you have a lot of energy, it doesn't mean necessarily you tear around your house and throw things, right? But it might mean you say, it's time for me to go outside. Can I go outside? Or, today is a great day to do a project, to make something happen. And so I'm wondering, is there anything in your house or yard, if you have a yard, that needs some energy used on it? It's a great day if you wanted to organize all of your books. You know, put them the way you really would like them to be. Or if you wanted to do this, it'd be a great day to clean some spaces in your room, like to move the stuff on top of your desk and wipe the desk down, or to clean under your bed or behind your dresser. That's the kind of thing, if you do it today, it'll probably feel really good. Or if your parents come home with groceries, this is a great day to help carry stuff. It's a good day to do work. That's my feeling about this day. It's a good day to get some work done with our bodies. So think about that. Is there any job that needs to get done, or project? Maybe your own room, maybe, it just happened at my house. We got a lot of wood chips and we're moving them to the vegetable garden to put around the paths. And we were all just moving with a wheelbarrow. That felt so good because it made the garden look so much more beautiful, but also it's just like it used up good energy in our bodies. See if there's anything like that. What is a way to let some of the energy come through you in, do you know what I mean, a constructive way, in a way that makes something good happen? So it's going to be different for each of us. That's why I'm saying be like kind of a detective. You might want to sense into what it is and try some things out and then see how they feel. And let me know if you think of an idea and you try it. Let me know how it goes. One thing I want to say about energy is, if you're feeling really like tired or draggy, don't be fooled. Sometimes being tired or draggy actually means we need to use energy so that we get our energy cleared out a little bit, because it gets almost like stagnant or like stuck. So even if you feel really draggy, consider using energy a little bit today and just notice how it feels. Because part of this time is an opportunity to learn more deeply how we work and how to understand ourselves. So as you try things, pay attention, see how it goes. Okay, thank you for sharing with me. See you later.